the question of the role of the governor in appearing before this assembly. It is a legal question, a very legal question. Does the assembly have the power to summon the governor? It has done so. The answer I'm expecting, it is. Is it provided for under any standing order? So that the mover could be telling us, under Standing Order 6, you can summon by name or by rank a governor. The rebuttal will come from you, and you show that position. So that when the governor by law appears here, constitutionally, he appears under two roles. I know it is very emotive when a governor is summoned and she does not come. And an officer in our office writes that she cannot come because not even the president goes to the National Assembly. Let us look at the law on that question. And let us get a president of any county assembly that has succeeded to summon a governor to appear before it. Another legal question I'll raise is a question of utterances before a presidential function. Whether the county assembly can punish of offenses committed in the front of a presidential function, where the head of state is present, whether we are clothed with that mandate to punish on behalf of the President of the Republic of Kenya. Whether the presidential security team and the presidential guard, who never acted even in a breach of peace was committed, the county assembly acts on behalf of the president, the commander-in-chief of the Republic of Kenya. Do we have that power? Do we have that? Are we becoming the complainant? Are we crying harder than the President of the Republic of Kenya? Those are very legal issues. Very, very legal issues that we need to put ourselves to order. Mr. Speaker, could we, now that the chair, the speaker said it might not give a ruling, do we talk for 2 minutes? Only 2 seconds?
You know, Dustan,